Take a slow breath in. Allow your attention to settle. Let the pace of your thoughts slow slightly. Now imagine you are presenting a solution to a problem that has been discussed for some time. It might be a product improvement, a new strategy, or an initiative designed to solve a challenge the team has been facing. You explain the idea clearly. You describe how the approach could work. You outline the benefits the solution might bring. As you speak, people listen carefully. Then one person responds. They begin questioning parts of the proposal. They point out possible difficulties. They describe reasons why the solution might not work as expected. The conversation shifts. More comments follow. Each response focuses on details within the idea itself. Soon the discussion becomes centered around what might be wrong with the proposal. You pause and observe the room. Something interesting is happening. Everyone is analyzing the solution, but very little attention is returning to the original problem. Your mind notices the pattern. When conversations focus only on the proposed answer, the discussion can become narrow. People debate the idea itself rather than the challenge it was designed to solve. You pause before responding. Instead of defending the proposal immediately, you shift the focus slightly. You say calmly, "It may help to step back for a moment and revisit the problem we are trying to solve." The room grows quieter. People think about the question. You continue. What outcome are we hoping to improve? Now the discussion moves back to the situation that created the need for change. Someone describes the difficulty the team has been facing. Another person explains how the current process is slowing progress. The original challenge becomes visible again. You listen carefully. Then you add another question. If we focus on solving that problem effectively, what approaches might help us get there? Now the conversation opens again. The proposal you introduced becomes one option among several. Other ideas begin appearing. People compare different approaches. The discussion becomes less defensive and more exploratory. The group begins thinking together rather than debating positions. Take another slow breath. Notice how the atmosphere has changed. At first, the conversation focused on weaknesses in a single idea. The discussion felt tense and narrow. But once the problem itself became the center of attention again, the room began exploring solutions more freely. You recognize something important about conversations like this. Ideas can easily become targets for criticism. But when the shared problem becomes visible again, people often collaborate more naturally. Because most teams are not trying to defeat an idea. They are trying to find a way forward that truly improves the situation.